Happy holidays and welcome to Naughty Devil Creations. Alright guys, so first things first before we get to this. Thank you very much for everything you guys have done. The channel has blown up this year. I know it doesn't sound like it's blown up, but I started the year at like 40 followers, 30 some odd followers at the beginning of this year. And we're at 165-ish subscribers, which is, whoa, that's awesome. That's very, very cool. And I appreciate each and every single one of you. If you haven't subscribed or hit the bell notification for when I upload a new video, please do so. Lets me know that what I'm doing you like. So, and if you want to get me a Christmas gift, share one of your favorite video with your friends and family and say, hey, subscribe to this guy. He's pretty cool. Or at least he thinks he is. Anyway, so we're going to be making a pin for a gentleman that is very cool. He's done a lot for the foreman. He's done a lot for both of us, actually. And this is my thank you. Is going to be making him a very, very cool everyday carry. We're going to do the regular aluminum everyday carry pin kit. And with an orange blank, which is my favorite color, if you guys didn't know that. And it actually has significance to him. And he will know what that means when he sees it. So, and the anodized aluminum is the other color that's very close to the other color that has significance. So, let's get this going. We're going to make this kind of a short one. I'm going to chop it. I'm going to drill it, do everything all off camera. We'll turn it. And we'll press it together. Alrighty guys, it turned out great. Absolutely beautiful. So I just can't believe how well it turned out. Beautiful. Like I said, we're going with an aluminum kit. So the other day in the wood turning foreman, I think it was actually for pin turning actually, they were asking about this kit. My only thing I don't like about this kit is that if you're not using the stainless steel or the aluminum, the clip and the actual push button on the top don't match the rest of the kit. It's absolutely horrendous looking. So that's my only complaint. If that's my only complaint, then I can't be too pissy about it. So let's get this pushed in. I think I want to put this side as my writing side. And then let's get this one. Ooh, that's going to look sharp. That aluminum with that orange. Oh, love that colored combination there. And if you like light pens, this would definitely be aluminum everyday carry. This thing is super light. I mean, this is the most weight of the whole thing, and you can barely feel it. Yeah, I'm happy with that. All right, that's what we're gonna do. So, well, I hope I hope everybody has a good holidays. I'm actually on call the week of Christmas with my job. So, I will actually be, if you guys didn't know, I actually have another I got a couple of YouTube channels. But I have another one that I actually play World of Warcraft with my brother. I know, I'm a nerd. That's fine. If you guys haven't figured it out from the shirts that I wear all the time. I mean, I don't know how many more hints I could give you. But, yeah, I'm just a really big nerd. I love video games. I love comics. So, Naughty Devil Gaming is actually that YouTube's channel. If you want to go, watch me and then chat with me, just always remember when you're watching a live feed on like Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, whatever, there is a serious lag time from when when you type something to when I will see it or that person will see it. I was like, I know that goes on something. It's like, that's ridiculous. Anyway, so yeah. Just come over, and I'm on there a lot, so I've been working a lot, not getting home until late. So I've just been hopping on there because when you work a long day, sometimes you just don't feel like going out to the workshop. So I do apologize for not putting out videos as often as I was. We will get back at it. The slow time of the year is coming up, which is nice for me. Oh, man. Oh, man. Woo. I'm going to have to make one of these for myself. No. I got a whole bunch of pins. I don't need any more for myself. But, man. God. Woo! Alright, guys. I'm going to go get something to eat. And, wow. The foreman is going to love this. I'm going to have to order some more of these. I didn't think I'd like the aluminum because it's so light, but the tip here is actually stainless steel, and so is this. So it actually kind of makes up, but it's a little top heavy. If you are okay with that, go for it. But if I was you, go with the stainless steel. Spend the extra, I think it's like 82 cents more per kit for the stainless steel, or $1, whatever it is. It's worth going with the stainless steel. It looks sharp. It looks great. The weight of it is just absolutely, it's like a perfectly balanced pen with the stainless steel. Which saying this isn't. This is just a little bit heavier on top, but man, I like that. That feels really good. So yeah, Don't forget, like and subscribe. If you want to give a chat or you want to talk and you see that I'm on my other channel, Naughty Devil Gaming, come in, have a chat with me, talk. I have a Discord, so same thing, Naughty Devil Gaming. So you can hop in that. Also, you see me in there. Yeah. Thanks, guys, for everything for 2019. I can't wait to do more for you guys in 2020. And yeah, if I upload another video, if not, or if you don't catch it for 2020, have a happy holidays and happy New Year. All right, guys, I will catch you in the next video.